akasana mali yokuze stadium manje sokhuluma into ezingahlangani manje. Hayi mabasa ayikho le ndaba leyo. Indaba ye league bafethu mina ngeke ngicommente kakhulu ngayo. Ngizosho ngithi another clean sheet for Peterson. It's definitely chasing Umbuthuma ngama clean sheet. So there's a high chance ukuthi at the end of the season ngenzeka ukuthi goalkeeper of the season aphume mhlambe kuye or uyabona or chain. So let's see how that goes. But congratulations, iGalaxy file bafethu. File ayikho at all. I watched iGalaxy dlala Nedbank. I was very disappointed. I watched my game with Galaxy ngiyawalandela and I'm even going to Polokwane mabadlala final. But I know ukuthi this you know I'm a competition afana nama Nedbank nanani. You can win those. You don't have to play nice to win those kind of competition. But league you have to be consistent. And you have to play to a specific strength and style to win the league. Kungako ngisho mina ngithi when you look at the team like team yami Pakania, they are not ready to win the league. Yes, we are ready to compete for it, but not ready to win for it.
Kanjani Pakania?
Itungitshela ukuthi kanjani. Angeke ukuthi ufuna ukuwin league, uthatha usale ngumlahlele kuma enemies wakho. Angeke ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha ukuwin league, uthatha umabaswa umhambise. Lokorayo. Angeke ukuthi ufuna ukuwin league uthatha umbokazi umthengise wangamlindi kuphela isizini umthengise after. Angeke uthi ufuna ukuwin league uhambise yonke yo mfethu yazi ngiba frustrated mangicala ucabanga ngalento le. Angeke uthi ufuna ukuwin league uthathe ucoach wakho akutshela ukuthi yena ufuna istrike esebenza nzima esimakhayo thina sifuna ama strike akorayo. Angeke uthi ufuna ukuthatha league and still play the same dimension of football that is not winning you the league. You are scoring ama wingers. Angeke ukuthi ufuna ukuwin league ube ne team edlala ngama individual brilliance. If Mfukeng is not on form as win. If Opolis is not on form as win. Angeke ukuthi ufuna ukuwin league umremi samlanda kuma grandstand agijima zandlula nama player nama fans simlandekele ngamuva. You can't win the league if you are still doing certain specific things. Winning the league starts from the cleaner, starts from the kit manager, starts from the bus driver. Starts from the psychologist of a player. Starts from the supporters. Ama supporter Pirates our camp. Njalo siyadlala kusasa balala nabafans. So wina kanjani? So there are things you must do to win the league. We must be prepared for the league. But I'm telling you now, 10-20 years from now sizoyithatha le league.
10.
Yeah.
10.
Yes.
10 I think is too much.
Oh, sisathenga some player musina. See development is downs.
Mina ne ngicela usevele video. Mina ngithi kule season iPirates izothatha ileague.
I know.
Sesithi ingani ngiyakutshela manje. Ingaki namhlanje. iPirates kule season izothatha ileague. Le league lana ne uyayikhumbula le league esike sayithathela iAjax behambe emoyeni so ingazi ukuthi oyehla kuphi ile yale season. Le league izohamba emoyeni ingakwazi ukuthi oyehlela kuphi. Kodwa ekugcineni siyoyithatha le league eNorth West.
Lo izohamba kuwe lo suphefemulayo.
Le league yale season ngikutshela iyothathwa iPirates.
Amabasa mina ngithanda ibelief yakho ne and I wish number nginayo ne. Indaba mina ngithanda kuba logical.
Uyayibona le draw lesadraw ngayo. Ile inginika ibelief mina.
Le draw ye Richards Bay.
Ini look draw. Le 6 game yonke in the Ross izoyiwina. Abomkhaya nginandaba nabo. Abomkhaya sizondlula. Ngeke ngikutshela ukuthi yini indaba sizobashaya. Kodwa engikwaziyo bona bebalwela ukungena ku top 8 ba right. Sebaqedile nge top 8. Le 42 point ebanayo ne and bazoyireach 50 point kule season. Akekho uzoba disturb kule 42 point abanayo. Yawuza ukuthi ngithini? Abomkhaya nge26 sizobashaya thina la ngiyakutshela. Ngeke ngikutshela ukuthi
bazoshaya Sundowns.
Bona ne bazoshaya Sundowns and siyoba supporta thina. Oqala nca so support abomkhama abadlala neSundowns. Sijwayele ukuthi mabadlala neSundowns siyabaminyela.
Uyabona mabasa into engiyibonayo kune map le withdrawile wena ne withdraw wayiqeda and there's nothing I can do about that map. Le map withdrawile uyiqedile na isekho into engizoyitshintsha kulomqondo wakho ngoba le map sewuyidwebile. Mina into engizoyenza manje into engayikhuluma ukuthi whatever we show ngiyakusupport.
Mina ngicela ungisupport is from today. Ngiyakutshela Pakane. Wabona lento yethu ye 13 years iphelile kule season. iPirates this season izothatha league. Yeah. Uyayibona le ya draw le yalapha eMhlathuzi. Le yalapha eMhlathuzi. Ngiyakutshela bhuti isivulela indlela le. le 6 game eyisele soyiwina yonke kuthula. Ngiyakutshela mina sizoyiwina yonke le 6 game eyisele. Angiphuphi ngikutshela iVAR. iPirates izowawina wonke lama game asele.
Alright, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah. Yeah, imali sizoqala ngebisi.